That's for cash, please.
Here you go.
Liberty Bell. 2 Liberty Bells. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, yes! Woohoo! 3 Liberty Bells!
What?
That'll be $10,000, Apu.
Oh, congratulations, Mr. Homer.
Thank you.
If I could just see the ticket.
Well, there it is.
Pleased to be removing your thumb?
No.
Yes, please, I must insist.
No.
You
No.
want to look at
But
the
you
ticket?
know
Mr.
you can't
Homer?
see it.
Yes,
Come
I
on.
must. You
No.
have to remove
No.
it.
Let go. Don't. You're ripping it.
Cherry. Oh, Mr. Homer, what has reduced you to such cheap chicanery?
Oh, I need money.
Well, if you need money, you should have at least jammed a gun in my ribs. Or better yet, you could inquire about my help wanted sign.
You're looking for help?
Yes, we need someone for the demanding yet high-profile midnight to 8 a.m. shift.
I'm your man.
You're hired.
Woo!
Always I dreamed the day would come when one of you would be working for me.
She certainly tamed that horse.
Yes, but what man can tame her?
I won't lie to you. On this job, you will be shot at. Each of these bullet wounds is a badge of honor.
Badge of honor.
Here's a pointer. Try to take it in the shoulder. Now, these hot dogs have been here for 3 years. They are strictly ornamental. There's only one bozo who comes in and buys them.
But I... Oh.